Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. The jet lag is real, y'all. I am struggling a little bit today. I have had so much real iced tea today. If you have not seen that video, I will link it down below, but 3 time zones in 3 days, and I am trying to catch back up. Today's video, however, is going to be super exciting. I have an unboxing for you, and this particular brand is something I do not have in my collection until now. And I think out of all the questions I've been asked about, do you own something from a brand? This is probably the #1 brand I have been asked about in the 5 years that I have been on YouTube. Actually, this week is my 5th year anniversary on YouTube. I'm super excited also today to be partnering with this video with FARFETCH. I have been shopping with FARFETCH forever. I love FARFETCH. They have the largest selection of luxury items on a single platform. They have amazing customer service and they package beautifully. Wait till you see how beautifully this bag is packaged. You know how I feel about that. You're spending a lot of money, you want it to be packaged beautifully. And I'm really excited. I have a coupon code to share with you for 10% off, and I'm gonna link that down below. And I'm also gonna be sharing with you today my favorite bags that are $1,000 and under, my favorite luxury bags. As you know, all these fashion houses have just gone insane. It seems like I was online last night looking at a few different things, and I was like, that was not that price, the last time I looked. It is higher. You can still get absolutely gorgeous luxury bags for under $1,000. Some of these bags I personally own, and I will be inserting mod shots and showing you mine. A couple of them I don't, but they are ones that I have definitely considered adding to my collection, and I think that they're just a great assortment of bags. You can still get amazing quality with a designer label for under $1,000. So let's start with the unboxing first. So it came, of course, in a box, which didn't bring the box in here, but it was wrapped beautifully. It came in this black satin dust bag, and there's a dust bag within a dust bag. See what I mean about the packaging? Just beautiful. Do I have this facing the right way? I do not. And it is from Mulberry. This is my first ever Mulberry piece. In the United States, you just don't really see Mulberry a lot. I was able to go to an outlet once in California, and they had a Mulberry outlet, and I remember feeling the bags, the leather of the bags, and thought they were beautiful. I just was not shopping at the time, so I didn't pick anything up, but I'm really excited about this. Okay, let's get this out of the dust bag. And this is, I had such a hard time finding videos about this, so hopefully if you've been considering it, this will be helpful. It is the Mulberry Bayswater Tote. And when you type that into a search engine, you get a lot of different Bayswater totes. They have several variations with the exact same name. So I don't know why, but they do. So look at how just beautifully the tissue paper is in here. It's like all nicely accordion. I'll take all this out so I can show you the bag. But I was really, really impressed. It has plastic on the hardware, and it's a lot of tissue in here. This is a big tote bag. Okay, so the color is in this beautiful cognac brown color. It's this color I am currently just obsessed with. It's like a caramel brown. I will put the exact color because I've called it so many colors now I'm not quite sure. And I also am going to have links down below to all of these items, so that will make it a little bit easier to find them as well. But it's just absolutely beautiful. It is pebbled leather. You have these leather straps that go around the bag and around the bottom, so that's going to give it extra support. Many of you know, don't be offended because, you know, y'all, if you've been following me, you know this, I am not a fan of the Neverfull. I don't like the strap length on it. There's many things about the bag I don't like. This is perfect. I'm going to insert some mod shots right now for you. It's a perfect strap length. It is a very, very generous tote, and I'm very, very excited about it. Let me show you the interior. This is, by the way, an all leather bag. The interior is suede, and it's in this beautiful navy color. This is not microfiber. This is suede. This is an all leather bag for under $1,000. That is pretty amazing. So let's take the plastic off here, and I will show you this a little bit better up close. So there you go, and it just says mulberry on there. And this is how the bag closes, which I thought was really nice. It has a little turn lock right there. So, you know, it does definitely help with security to be able to close the bag. This easily fits a laptop. I mean, what is it not gonna fit? This is gonna fit anything and everything that you wanna bring with you. Another feature that I loved about this is, you see that back pocket there? It is removable. It just snaps off, and it says Mulberry on there too, Mulberry, England. And this bag is made in the UK, so let's take the tissue out of that. And this one here is also lined in suede, which is really neat. But so if you just wanted to use this like as a little clutch, or, you know, just wanted to carry it into a different bag, that's a really neat feature. And let me show you the snaps. So there's snaps here on the back of the bag, the pouch, and then there are snaps in here. So super easy. I love this. You should feel this leather. It's just, it is soft, but it is sturdy. I can tell this is going to keep its shape. It is just gorgeous, gorgeous leather. So I did just find this inside of the little pouch. It says Mulberry, England. Let's see what it says. It is the care policy, care instructions, how to take care of the leather. This is a small classic grain, soft supple leather with a printed grain effect. The leather has been lightly finished to protect the grain surface. So that is very interesting. But again, I'm super, super excited to have added this bag. And I am going to grab my laptop, show you a few things that fit in here. Of course, you can tell this is going to hold everything. And then I'm going to get into the other bags that I think are absolutely fabulous for under $1,000. Okay, so just very quickly, I just wanted to show you that my MacBook Pro fits in there easily. And then you can clearly see you could fit in a pair of shoes, you could fit in a scarf, your wallet, anything you would like to bring, your lunch. Like, this is a generous tote. But just wanted to show you, the laptop is the #1 question that I get asked about, and I never ever bring my laptop anywhere with me, so I usually don't have the answer for you for that. So just wanted to share that it definitely fits in there. This bag is stunning. Okay, so as you can see, that bag is going to hold a ton. I'm really excited to start using it, and I will definitely be looking into more mulberry pieces in the future. So, and again, don't forget, I am going to have a coupon code for 10% off, and it does apply to that. I will have T&Cs down below, so be sure you read through all of that. So let's get into a few of the other bags. These ones I do not own, and I went back and forth if I wanted to purchase this or the mulberry tote, and I have thought about adding these bags to my collection for quite a while, just haven't pulled the trigger yet. But it is the Chloe Woody tote, and there are 2 sizes, and I will be inserting pictures for you. There is a medium and there is a large. And these totes are incredibly popular right now. And I think they're really pretty. I think that they are a very standout, you know, with the logo on it. It is definitely you're going to be seen with this bag. I think it is beautiful. Again, under $1,000. The reason I went with the mulberry over the Chloe, well, all leather, a 100% leather bag. And also for me, I use a lot of lotions, so I'm like, I need to think about this and maybe find some more reviews just to make sure, you know, that somebody who lotions about 100 times a day is not going to ruin that top handle. But I think it's amazing. There's a lot of videos out on that particular bag, but they're pretty new videos, so I haven't really seen a lot of wear and tear ones, so I'm waiting on that. But I really think for a designer bag, it is a great price. It is beautiful. I love it. So the next ones I'm going to share with you are all from Aspinall of London. You know I am a huge fan of Aspinall of London. I have been purchasing their bags for 4 or possibly even 5, close to 5 years. This is my oldest one. It's a minimum of 4 years old. This is the slightly older design of the Lottie bag. I will show you the newer design. This is in the size small. They currently have 3 sizes. So there is a micro one that is really tiny. Then there is this one, which is the size small. And then there is also a size large, which I will be inserting some pictures of that in a moment. I have been considering getting the large for quite a while. I just have not done it yet. But this is just an absolutely fabulous bag. It has this beautiful pebbled leather. I love this tab closure. It's so unique and different. And if you like the Chanel Mini flaps, I personally like this better. I sold mine. This is, I think it's a much better bag at a much better price, and it's more versatile. So let me show you. I will insert some mod shots of this one right now. So you will see that you can wear this bag both crossbody, and you can also wear it as a shoulder bag. This bag in particular, this black one, is the one that I will bring to business dinners almost all of the time exclusively. It is under the radar. It is elegant. It is not too big. Even if it's black tie, it works. Show you the inside of it. You have this beautiful grosgrain lining in the red, and there's a center zip, and then another little compartment here in the back, and then also another little slit compartment in the back there. So it's a lot more roomy than the Mini, and again, so easy just to change it from shoulder to crossbody. You wouldn't want to wear a crossbody bag to an elegant evening event. So this one is the older style, and on the back it just says Aspinall of London, England. So this one does not have a back pocket. I'm going to insert a picture of the larger one in the quilted version, which this is the one I've been debating. I wanted to pick this up when we were on our trip in London, and we were at Harrods, but they did not have it, and I didn't end up going to any other stores that had that one, but I think it's great. It's similar size to the Chanel Jumbo, and again, it can go crossbody or you can double the chains up, and it's a very roomy bag. I think it's beautiful. The other one that I own is also in the size small, and this one is in the taupe, and this is the newer style. So this is how they come now. There is a back pocket. I believe the large one possibly always had this, but the little one did not. And I've had this bag forever, and I just found a tag in there. That's funny, but yes, so there's the back pocket. This one has the silver tone hardware, and I didn't point it out on the other one, but you do have the where the straps thread through right there. Again, that cool opening and closure. And the inside of this one is just in a light taupe color. I will also insert some mod shots if you want to see what this color looks like. Again, it is just a beautiful pebbled leather bag, and it's just elegant, simple and easy. This one I've had a couple of years for sure. I know I've had this one at least 4. And the quality of Aspinall of London bags, I'm absolutely blown away by the quality. What you get for the price, I think, is just absolutely amazing. I've never had a bad experience with Aspinall ever. Okay, so the last 2 that I'm going to share with you are my newest additions from Aspinall, and I got these last fall. And the first one is the Mayfair, and this is just their standard size, and it's the largest size, but as you can see, it is still a very petite, elegant bag, and it is not too big. Out of the 2 sizes that I have, I also have the midi. This is definitely my favorite size. And let me show you inside of it, and I'm going to insert mod shots of this. Obviously you can do it handheld, crook of the arm, and it also comes with a really long adjustable crossbody strap. So the inside of this one is in this beautiful blue. Again, it's like a grosgrain lining. The front here, you have a slit compartment. You have a center zip, and this one is actually quite roomy, whereas on the Lottie's, not a lot fits in there. And then the back compartment is quite roomy as well, and it does come with a little mirror in the very back slit compartment, which is super cute. Of course, you have feet on the bottom, which I did not show, but the mini Lottie's, they have feet as well. Let me just grab one really fast just to show you, because y'all know I love feet on a bag. I love me some feet. Not every bag needs it, but it's nice when it has it. And of course, it is in that croc pattern, and the color of this one was called Deep Shine Burgundy. I couldn't find the exact color, but I did find some similar that will be linked down below. It's a great bag. If you like the trendy CC, or if you like the Kelly, I think this is a fabulous alternative to either one of those. Likewise, the classic flaps, I think that the Lottie's are a great alternative. Under $1,000, elegant, ladylike, just absolutely beautiful. And my newest addition is the taupe, and this is the size midi, and it's a great size, but I prefer the bigger one just because I can fit more in it. The color is absolutely stunning. It goes with everything, and on both of these, I did not say, there is a back pocket. This one is tight because it is patent leather. It's a little bit harder to use. This one is a little bit more generous, but again, patent leather, it makes it not so easy to get the phone in and out of, but it does have a little magnetized piece there. Champagne gold hardware on both of them, which is my favorite hardware. The only logo is right there on the clasp where it says Aspinall of London. You open this one up, and this one has the most beautiful baby pink interior. And you can see this is really quite generous. It does fit quite a bit. I like this a lot better than the Cocoa handle. This could also be an alternative for that as well. This one also has the center zip, and again, it is more generous than, I'm finding tags in all my bags. It's just the care thing. But it is more generous than the small Lottie's. I usually just put maybe a card holder or something in those. But I think these are some fabulous, fabulous bags for under $1,000, and I'm super excited with my new bag. Don't forget to check out those links down below and the discount code. And I thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.